Want to know how to make a bracelet like this? It's actually pretty easy, especially if you know a few basic crochet stitches. But don't worry if you're a beginner. I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. First, I picked out my thread colors and started by making 10 chain stitches. Then I joined the ends together with a slip stitch to form a little circle. Into that circle, I made 16 double crochets and finished the row with another slip stitch. Next up, I did a round of 16 puff stitches, each one separated by a chain stitch. So basically, in every space from the previous row, I placed a puff stitch. Then comes a row of clusters, 16 groups of unfinished double crochets. Each group has 3 legs, and they're connected with 2 chain stitches between them. I closed that round with a slip stitch and snipped the thread to switch to a new color. Now for the fun part, the row that turns the circle into a square. It's a repeating pattern made up of 3 different stitches. I start with 3 double crochets in the first space, then 3 single crochets in the next, 3 more double crochets after that, and then the corner, 3 triple crochets, 3 chain stitches, and 3 more triple crochets, all in the same space. Repeat that pattern 4 times to complete the square. I made 3 of these squares, ironed them flat, and stitched them together. To clean up the edges, I added a row of single crochets all the way around, doing 4 stitches in each corner to keep the rectangular shape nice and even. For the closure, I reused a couple of wooden beads from an old necklace, because why not, right? I also decided to add a pop of black in the center of the circles, and as you'll see, I ended up adding a lot of black, plus a few shiny black beads and some red ones for extra flair. So what do you think of the finished bracelet? I actually liked it so much, I made another one, with turquoise this time. Thanks so much for watching.